What is up, YouTube? I know you can't see me. I'm driving home from working out of town, and I've been in this snowstorm for an hour and a half now. I got the truck in four-wheel drive, company truck, and snow wet mode, so thought I'd give you guys a taste of what it's like here in Montana. Hopefully I'll have some more video for you later. It's blowing and drifting. It's taken me over 30 minutes to go less than 30 miles, so I got stuck behind a plow, but he just turned around, so he hasn't been through this section yet, as you can see. Good times had by all. Talk to you later. All right, I'm going to show you. We are at the Continental Divide, Marias Pass. We're at 5,216 feet. I'm going to show you what 2.5 hours of driving in snow and busting through snow drifts looks like. Flip the camera. Need to kick that one off. So there's the monument for the Continental Divide. Lewis and Clark Trail. So the highway's right there. That is all Glacier National Park over there. This side of the highway is all state forest. So, just a quick peek. It's the first snowstorm of the year. We're real high. I should get out of it before too long. It's supposed to be sunshine and 40 degrees at my house today, so just a heads up. Welcome to Montana. I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but we're at Marias Pass. That's the name of the pass that we're on. Now we start up and down and rolling all around and dropping down to lower elevations. So, see you guys. Look at that, we're not even 10 miles from the top of the pass and we're already out of it. But it's still 28 degrees and the roads are wet, so still could have ice. Snow's not hard to drive in, you just gotta slow down and take your time. Don't get in a rush.